crisp air. Oof. Dry crisp air is good too. Doesn't have to necessarily be cold. What's going on, guys and girls? Oh man, it's a beautiful winter day. On my way to the office, I had to pick up a secret squirrel identity card and testing out, although you can't see it, some heated gear. Got on heated pants and a heated jacket. They go under, the pants go under your jeans, the jacket goes over your sweater, I guess. Got some heated glove inserts, but I decided not to test those today. Got some heated sock inserts. They're supposed to be on the way. I guess they go over your regular socks. Look like they go over your regular socks. Heat the top of your foot. And I forgot that they were going to be doing construction. So, we'll just sit here and see what happens. And we got vehicles coming down the hill now.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 beep, beep, vroom, 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 beep, 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 vroom, zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh, they're gonna lead us up the hill. What we got going on here? Follow the leader, are we? Is follow the leader. All around the mulberry bush. Got here, I found that my heated gear came unplugged. So now I gotta figure out a better way to route the wire. See, the wire for the jacket comes out the front, and where it has a connection comes out the little slit in the saddle in the back. I don't know if I ran it up front, if it would, afraid it would rub the paint. We'll figure it out. Now, back to the house. Now this thermal gear is supposed to reflect heat, your own body heat back to you. So we'll see how that works too. That could be why I didn't feel as cold as I thought I would with it being unplugged, even though it was unplugged. I feel it heating in my T-spine, just down between your shoulder blades. So where the backrest is behind me, it's pushing the heated jacket against me, and it's giving a lot of heat right there for sure. Not a lot of heat. Feels good, don't get me wrong. So that's good, I guess. I can feel warmth down the outside of both arms, down to the forearm. All right, now my buns are toasty again from the saddle, so I'm gonna cut that off. Don't want burnt buns, crispy buns.